Hello, it's Miss Take Back for some literacy. We are learning about the letter D. D, 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 D. Okay, so we're going to read our poem and we're going to hear all the D, D, D's in it. And then we're going to think about what words rhyme. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we are. Dora the duck dove down low. Underwater, what a show! Wow. Let's try it again. Dora the duck dove down low. Underwater, what a show! All right, let's see if we can pick out the D's. Duh, listen for the does. Dora, does it have it? Yes. The. Nope. Duck. Yep. Dove. Yep. Down. Yep. Low. No D there. Under. Oh. Under. Look where that D is. Do you hear it in the middle? Under. Yes. Water. Nope. What? A show. Okay, so we're going to circle all the D's. So you're going to either circle them or you're going to do it as a class on a big board and have them come up one by one to circle them and make a little list of all the D words. We have Dora, duck, dove, down. That's it. Dora, duck, dove, down. All right, now which ones rhyme? Let me read it to you again. Which two words rhyme? Dora the duck dove down low. Underwater, what a show. Did you hear it? Low and show. Can you think of another word that rhymes? Low, show, whoa. Go? Yeah, nice work. Okay, now we're going to get our listening ears out and we're going to listen whether or not we hear a duh at the beginning of the word. You put your thumb up. The middle of the word, put your thumb to the side, or the end of the word, put your thumb down low, like Dora dove. Here we go. Den. That's right, the beginning, den. Do you hear it? Had. That's right, the end of the word, had. Middle. Oh my goodness, the word middle has D in the middle. Yeah. Ready? Bed. At the end. Perfect. Deep. Deep. At the beginning. Yeah. Paddle. Paddle. That's right. It's in the middle. Here we go. Hidden. Hidden. Yeah, in the middle. Nice job. Dive. The beginning. Nice work. Said. Said. That's right. It's at the end. We hear that word a lot in stories. He said, she said, toad said, duck said. All right. We're going to see if our hands can remember how to make our D's. Uppercase D goes first. Are you ready? All right. Grab your highlighter or your pencil or whatever you're using today. Start up here. Down and around. Down and around. Down. Beautiful. And around. Let's see if our hand remembers. Down and around. Down and around. Beautiful. Down and around. All right. Time for those lowercase d's. Here we are. 1 and 2. Duh. Down and around. Duh. Down and around. Duh. Let's see if her hand remembers. Down and around. Duh. Down and around. Duh. Down and around. Nice work. Duh. Now I know sometimes we turn our D's into something, but I'm thinking I really like that video, Who's at the Door? So we are going to do a Who's at the Door page. Look at this. Miss Hake wrote, Who is at the door? And then I took a piece of paper and I made a door on it, and then I taped it on the one side. Ding dong. Ha ha, guess who that is? That's my friend Duck. Do you remember Duck's name from the poem? Take a good hard look. Dora, that's right. So you can put whoever you want at underneath your door. And maybe you can have some clues or say, the person or the thing at my door is an animal. She likes to swim and her name starts with a D. Ding dong. Dora. Pretty fun today. All right, I'll see you soon. Have fun doing your D work. Bye.